Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin this exciting journey into the world of modern fighter technology, I kindly request you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support inspires us to bring you more powerful and informative content like this. Now, let us move forward into the skies where speed meets precision, and where power defines pride. This is the story of a jet that has brought glory to its creators, the JF-17 Thunder. The JF-17 Thunder is not just a fighter aircraft, it is a symbol of engineering brilliance, modern defense capability, and strategic advancement. Designed jointly by Pakistan and China, this aircraft reflects a partnership built on trust, technology, and vision. Its official entry into the aviation world changed the dynamics of aerial combat for good. The JF-17 Thunder proved that you do not need a multi-billion-dollar jet to dominate the skies. All you need is intelligence, efficiency, and perfect design. When we talk about JF-17 Thunder, we talk about a machine that is light in weight yet powerful in action, economical in cost yet aggressive in performance. This single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft stands proudly among some of the world's most renowned fighter programs. It is capable of performing air-to-air combat, ground attack missions, and even naval operations all within a single frame. This flexibility makes the JF-17 not just an aircraft, but a complete mission-ready warrior. Its aerodynamic profile is incredibly smooth, built to slice through the air with minimal drag and maximum thrust. Equipped with modern avionics, radars, guided weapons, and long-range missiles, the Thunder is designed to detect enemies before being detected. The cockpit is fitted with a wide-angle HUD display, digital flight control system, and advanced navigation modules, giving the pilot complete confidence and control in every maneuver. One of the most impressive things about the JF-17 Thunder is its combat reliability. This jet is capable of flying high altitudes, sustaining deep turns, and performing high-speed engagements without losing stability. The aircraft can reach speeds close to Mach 1.6, and its operational ceiling allows it to dominate in areas where many jets struggle. Whether the target is on land or in air, Thunder is always prepared to strike. The Thunder doesn't just perform well, it performs beautifully. The sharp wings, aggressive nose structure, and stunning aerodynamic build give it a look of sheer dominance. It is fast, stylish, and elegant, a perfect combination of grace and firepower. When the jet roars through the sky, the sound of its engine is not just noise, it is pride, power, and presence. The world took notice when JF-17 began delivering exceptional results in international air shows. It demonstrated sharp maneuvers, smoke turns, vertical climbs, and high-speed passes that left spectators speechless. Countries worldwide are now showing interest in purchasing this aircraft, which proves its quality in real missions and real situations. And let us talk about something beautiful. This aircraft belongs to a nation that built it with determination, not wealth. When big military powers rely on expensive multi-billion-dollar jets, JF-17 stands tall as an affordable yet deadly alternative. It gives smaller nations access to advanced air power without forcing them into debt. This is not just an aircraft, this is independence in the sky. Every bolt, every sensor, every missile mount on the JF-17 speaks a language of strength. It represents courage of the pilots who fly it, skill of engineers who built it, and pride of the nation that owns it. In dogfight, in defense, in patrol, Thunder is not a follower, it is a leader. If you love aviation, if you love power, if you love technology that works beyond imagination, then you will love the JF-17 Thunder. Because this is the aircraft that does not just fly, it dominates.